COVID cases spike, IIT Delhi tells students safer to go home to family. With class 12 boards deferred, students worried about college admissions. Bihar government decides to close down schools and colleges till May 15th. JNV Navodaya Vidyalaya Class 6 entrance test to be rescheduled. Good afternoon and a warm welcome. You're watching Education News Network, where we get you the latest developments in education at the top of this hour. This is Sania reporting from ENN, and the daily stories are: amid rising cases of COVID-19, the Indian Institute of Technology Delhi administration has written to research scholars and those students not involved in laboratory or project work, saying it would be safer if they go home and be with their family. IIT Delhi Director V. Ram Gopal Rao told the Indian Express around 25 students on campus have tested positive in the last 1 month, and the quarantine facility inside the campus was small and could accommodate 10 people at best. JNU too has advised students to return home after active cases on campus tripled over the last 10 days from 21 to 64. In an email sent to all research scholars and students not doing laboratory courses and projects, IIT Delhi Deputy Director Strategy and Planning Ashok K. Ganguly said a meeting was held with key administrative personnel and director to review the alarming situation arising out of increasing COVID-19 cases in the country. Delhi as well as our campus, several students have tested positive today and several mess staff members have called in sick. The Gulmohar facility for home quarantine of students is full to capacity now. In addition, there are many cases amongst faculty and their family members as well as staff and their family members, he wrote Friday. While faculty members and staff members are isolating within their homes, this option is not available to hostel residents. As per government regulation, they have to be shifted to government isolation centers anywhere in Delhi. These centers are also getting fast overwhelmed, Ganguly said. With CBSE and several state boards having rescheduled the Class 12 board exams, board aspirants are now worried about the undergraduate admissions. Students are most concerned about their universities that follow a cut-off-based admission process on Class 12 board marks, such as the University of Delhi and Mumbai University. PC Joshi, Pro Vice Chancellor DU, told IndianExpress.com that going ahead with DU admissions without the CBSE board exam results is very difficult because every year more than 90% of applicants are from the central board. This year we had planned to provide 50% weightage to Class 12 marks and 50% to Central University's Common Entrance Test score. The fate of board exams is now uncertain, but we have not yet decided if we will go ahead with only the entrance exam. DU admissions will continue to do merit-based, however the criteria may get changed based on CBSE's decision on board exams, Joshi said. The Bihar government today decided to shut down schools and colleges in the state in view of the worsening COVID-19 situation. Chief Minister Nitish Kumar today announced that educational institutes will be closed down till May 15. Schools in Bihar were scheduled to reopen on April 5th, but due to a rise in the number of coronavirus cases, the government on April 3rd extended the closure of schools, colleges till April 11th. The Navodaya Vidyalaya Samiti has decided to defer the entrance test for Class 6 admissions in Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalayas across the country. This is the second time that the entrance test has been rescheduled. Initially, the examination was scheduled for April 10th, which has been postponed to May 16th. Now, the Class 6 entrance examination was scheduled to be conducted from May 16th to June 19th. The NVS will announce the new exam dates at least 15 days before the exam. Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya Selection Test 2021 for admission of students in Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalayas to Class 6 for the session 2021-22, which is scheduled on 16 May in all the states and UTs other than Mizoram, Nagaland and Meghalaya, is postponed due to the administrative reasons. The rescheduled dates will be notified at least 15 days prior to the date of selection test, NVS said in an official notice. The NVS had earlier released the admit cards for Class 6 entrance test, except for Mizoram, Meghalaya and Nagaland. In all other UTs, the exams was to be conducted on May 16. In Mizoram, Meghalaya and Nagaland, the exam date was June 19. The JNV Class 6 selection test is conducted in English, Hindi and regional languages of each state. The 2-hour-long test has 3 sections: mental ability, arithmetic test and language test. Students have to answer a total of 80 objective type questions to carry 100 marks. That's all for today. Thank you for watching Education News Network. For more such videos, log on to our website theENN.com and do not forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Signing off, Sanya.